Gaano nga ba kadelikado mga sangkay itong bagong karamdaman ngayon na kumakalat o nakalabas na po doon sa Africa at kumakalat na po sa iba't ibang panig ng ating mundo? Isa sa tanong din dyan mga sangkay, may paparating na naman ba na bagong pandemic sa ating mundo? So mahalaga mga sangkay na ma-inform po tayo ngayon pa lang tungkol po dito para po malinaw na po sa utak natin, mga sangkay, kung ano po itong kumakalat ngayon na nakalabas na nga po ito doon sa Africa. Kasi may mga galing po sa Africa, nadala po doon sa Sweden, nadala din po doon sa, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Pakistan po ata yun, mga sangkay. So ngayon, dumadami, kumakalat ng kumakalat at ang matindi po dito, marami na palang tinamaan at pinabagsak nito. Marami na pong pumanaw. Ngayon, pag-usapan mo natin yan. Bago tayo magsimula, pakisubscribe po muna yung ating YouTube channel, syempre, no? Ayan po. So, sa baba ng video na to, makikita nyo po dyan yung subscribe button. Pindutin nyo lamang po yan, then click the bell, and click all. Dahil dito mga sangkay, 1.27 million subscribers na po tayo. Paangat po tayo ng paangat. So, isubscribe nyo na. Yung mga nanonood naman po sa Facebook, follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. At ito, may papagawa lamang po ako sa inyo saglit. Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, sundan nyo lamang po ako. Kagaya ng nakikita nyo sa screen, i-check nyo po sa inyong mga cellphone, sa taas ng video na to, makikita nyo po yung tatlong tuldok. Okay? Sa Facebook po ito ha. Makikita nyo po yung tatlong tuldok, pindutin nyo po yung tatlong tuldok. May lalabas po ng show more, pindutin nyo po yung show more at yun lang, mga sangkay. Easy lang, di ba? Ganun lang po kadali. Eh, ito na nga po. Alam niyo ito mga paglaganap ng mga iba't ibang klaseng karamdaman ngayon. Ito po ay part ng prophecy na nasa Biblia. Yung pag-spread mga sangkay ng tinatawag na pestilences. Ito po ay mga kakaibang mga karamdaman na kakalat daw po sa ating mundo. At hindi lamang po mga sangkay iisa, kundi marami. Kaya nga pag pinag-aralan mo mga sangkay, yung tungkol po dito, makikita nyo, sobrang dami pala mga iba't ibang klaseng karamdaman na laganap ngayon sa ating planeta na nakukontrol lamang. Pero ito malaki daw po ang potensyal na maging pandemic. Alamin po natin. Sabi po dito, ano ang dahilan, bakit daw po kumakalat ito ng mas mabilis ngayon?
The Health Organization has declared a global public health emergency following an outbreak of a new strain of the Mpox virus in Africa. The virus, formerly known as monkeypox, can be passed on through close contact and causes flu-like symptoms and lesions on the body and can be deadly. It's now been detected in at least 13 African countries, but
Grabe. 13 na mga bansa daw po doon sa Africa, sa kontinente nila.
one country has been hit particularly hard, the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Yan daw po ata ang ano eh. Yan po yung epicenter ngayon, yung Congo.
Mpox is surging across Africa.
Grabe, tingnan nyo yung mabuti mga sanggay, oh. Ewan ko, parang mas malala pa po ito sa nakaraan. Kasi ito talaga may mga ano eh. May lumalabas po sa mga ano natin. Katawan.
And this is ground zero. Thousands of cases have been reported in the Democratic Republic of Congo as a new outbreak grips the country.
Grabe. Grabe to.
It's already claimed at least 450 lives, most of them children.
400 mahigit na daw po yung mga pumanaw.
And it's showing no sign of slowing down.
Smiyo, wag naman sana magpang-abot dito, no?
Detection and rapid spread of a new clade of Mpox in eastern DRC, its detection in neighboring countries that had not previously reported Mpox, and the potential for further spread within Africa and beyond is very worrying.
Nako.
In addition to other outbreaks of other clades of Mpox in other parts of Africa, it's clear that a coordinated international response is essential to stop these outbreaks and save lives.
Formerly known as monkeypox, Mpox spreads through close contact, including
Grabe, men. Look at that, guys. Grabe. Nagilabutan ako.
sex.
Oh, yung mga ano dyan, yung mga mahihina po yung loob, hanap po muna kayo ng ibang channel ha. Doon po muna kayo manood kasi ano to, medyo matatakot na naman po kayo dito. Much better kung sa ibang mga channel kayo manood, at least di nyo mapapanood yung ganitong klaseng impormasyon. Para lamang po ito sa mga malalakas yung loob ng mga solid sangkay, okay?
Causing flu-like symptoms and painful pus-filled lesions.
Grabe.
But this new strain is proving more infectious and even more deadly. And experts fear the growing outbreak in Africa could just be the tip of the iceberg.
We believe that it's already
Kakakilabot guys.
a risk for international spread, and of course, there is also the chance that it could spread beyond Africa to other regions of the world.
Yung mga siguro yung mga pupunta doon sa Africa, mga turista, no? Huwag nyo lang subukan. Tanong nyo nga nangyayari mga sangkay.
The World Health Organization last declared Mpox an international health emergency in 2022, with cases in more than 70 countries. That was largely shut down with the help of vaccines and treatments in rich countries. But very few of those are available in Africa, and global health officials hope this new emergency declaration will kickstart an international effort to contain the disease.
Grabe.
Julian Tang is a virologist at the University of Leicester in the UK. I asked him to tell us more about the surge in Mpox cases and how this outbreak differs from the one 2 years ago.
The difference is really due to the different clades or strains, if you like, of this Mpox virus. The strain from 2 years ago was a global strain, and the clade 2, which is the so-called West African strain, and it proved to be much milder and more limited in terms of clinical severity than the original clade 1 virus. The one that's now spreading across Africa is a branch of the clade 1 virus, now termed clade 1b. And this is part of the original strain from the DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. And this has a higher mortality, is more severe clinically, and may be increasing transmissibility compared to the original endemic clade 1a strain from DRC.
Talk to us more about this transmissibility, because this Mpox variant has now, this new strain has spread to 13 countries, the outbreak.
Grabe, ang dami, no? 13 na mga bansa sa Africa. Epidemic na to eh. Pag lumabas to at dumami sa labas ng Africa, pandemic na to. So mag-ready lamang po tayo, mga sangkay.
Hundreds of people have died, mainly children. Why has this new variant been able to spread so quickly?
Ayan, ang ganda ng tanong. Paano nagawa nito na kumalat ng ganong kabilis?
Yeah, so that's a good question. I think we're still looking into this, but the original strain from DRC, the clade 1A, if you like, was limited in terms of that it would only spread beyond maybe 3 or 4 generations, and then it would die out. And it's often transmitted from animal reservoirs in the original endemic area. Now it looks like the virus has adapted better to human transmission. Again, something we saw with COVID-19 after several years. But this virus has been around in Africa for many more years. We've known about it for over 50 or 60 years. So I suspect that more human cases are allowing the virus to evolve and transmit more efficiently between humans. Again, like we saw with COVID-19 and the SARS-CoV-2 virus.
How much of a difference do you think it'll make that the WHO has now declared the Mpox outbreak to be a global public health emergency?
Oh, it should make a great difference. Normally these fakes, as we call them, PHEICs, tend to be announced when you want to release more funding and more resources to those particular epidemics.
Grabe, oh. Tingnan nito, more than 14,000 ang tinamaan daw po nitong Mpox doon sa Africa this year. Ang ganitong bilang mga sangkay, mataas na po yan. Medyo creepy lang po talaga itong ganitong klaseng no? itong ganitong klaseng karamdaman ngayon. Mpox. Tingnan niyo yung mukha, oh. Sana ba yung kanina nakita natin? Ayan, oh. Nakakatakot tingnan. My goodness. So ano po ang inyong opinion tungkol po dito mga sangkay? Kapangilabot, no? Comment nyo sa ibaba ang inyong mga opinion. Hindi ko na kaya to. Meron po ako isang YouTube channel. Ito po ay Sangkay Janjan Daily. Hanapin nyo po ito sa YouTube. Dito po ako nag-upload ng mga vlogs, okay? So click the subscribe, click the bell, and click all. Doon kinaya yung nakita ko mga sangkay. So ayun, mag-ingat po ang lahat. God bless everyone.